You've probably heard about minimalism when it comes to decluttering your home, but did you know it can also transform your dating life? In this video, we're going to show you how adopting a minimalist mindset can help you make more meaningful connections and simplify the dating process. Let's dive in. 1. Declutter your look. Minimalism isn't just about having less stuff, it's about having the right stuff. Simplifying your wardrobe and grooming routine can make a huge impact on your dating life. A clean, classic style shows confidence and lets your personality shine without being overshadowed. 2. Dating apps. Dating apps can feel overwhelming with endless profiles and messages. A minimalist approach means focusing on quality over quantity. Limit your matches to those who align with your values and interests. Don't waste time swiping endlessly. Be intentional about who you're connecting with. 3. Choose meaningful, low-key dates. Forget the expensive dinner and show. Opt for simple, meaningful dates that allow for real conversation. Grab coffee, take a walk in the park, or visit a local museum. Minimalist dating is about creating genuine connections without distractions. 4. Reduce digital clutter. Constant notifications and messages from social media can clutter your mind and distract you from being present. Try decluttering your phone by turning off unnecessary notifications and focusing on real interactions. This not only improves your dating life, but also enhances you. 5. Set boundaries and prioritize. Minimalism is about focusing on what matters most. In your dating life, this means setting boundaries and prioritizing people and experiences that align with your values. Don't feel pressured to say yes to every date. Be selective and only invest time in those who truly matters. When you apply minimalism to your dating life, you strip away the unnecessary and focus on what truly matters: authentic connection, shared values, and meaningful experiences. So, next time you're navigating the dating world, remember, less is more.